Hi guys, what's up? In this tutorial, we will learn how to do these colorful floors. Let's see how to do it. First, we need to draw some straight lines in Rhino. Just copy it, and copy it again, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. Cool. And then I just slice them into the Grasshopper battery. Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V to copy it. Slice them one by one, side one curve, the second one, third one, and the last one. Okay, and then we need to divide them into many segments like this. So we go to curve options and find divide curve battery. Copy it, copy and paste. Connect them one by one. Now I can select divide numbers, maybe 11. Then it will be 11 divide points with 10 segments. You can see 11 points, 10 segments. Cool. And then we do the next step. We want to connect the points together to create the surface, right? So we go to surface options, this one, and choose 4-point surface, this one. Connect them one by one. Okay. For the floors, we need to have the thickness, right? And then we use extrude battery, this one. This is a base and surface. And we need to select direction, so we go to vector and find Z direction. Connect them together. And we want to control the thickness, so maybe I can input 1, connect them together. If you slide this bar, you can, let me double click it and change it into floating points number. Now if I drag the slider, I can change the thickness of my floor, right? Okay guys, do it until this step, and then we continue the next step. Now we want to give the model a color. Let's see how to do it. Go to find display options and then customer preview. Connect them together. And we want to give it multiple colors for the model. So we go to find params, gradient, right click, preset. For this battery, it has many colors modes. You choose the last one, you can choose the other options too. Connect them together, material is gradient. And we can see there are many colors, right? You can see it has a domain. Now we want to give all the colors a domain. We just simply define from 0 to 1. From the left side is 0, the right side is 1. Okay, just define it. The lower part, the left side is 0, the right part is 1. And give it a domain. Construct domain is a domain start, the end part, okay. And then, because we want the color and the objects to match each other, so we need to divide the domain equally, right? Go to find another option. Battery is range. Read this battery, you can see black, white, black. white, black, white. It means divide the domain equally. Okay, let's connect them together. And this is the steps. It means you want how many parts of the domain. Because we have 11 points, 10 segments, so we want it to be 10 segments for here too. The 10 equal steps. So you can input 10 and connect them together, or you can build a math formula here. Because if you just input 10, when I change my numbers, increase it or decrease it, say the floors. If there is still 10, you will say the color is not matching to the object. Okay, so I just use mice and -1 and connect the numbers here. Just -1. Connect them together. This will be our steps. Connect it. Okay, now we finally done the models. We can head the surface, head this one. Okay guys, this is the end of the tutorial. Let's see what we learned. First, we learned how to use divide curve again, and how to create the surface, how to extrude the surface to a solid volumes, and how to give the models color. Cool practice guys. Thanks for watching.